Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye makeup. For this look I used the new Meet Mate Shmaker eyeshadow palette by The Balm. And if you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. First I am going to start priming my eyelids using this primer by Pop Beauty. First, I am going to take this highlighter on a Sigma E20 and I am going to highlight my brow bone. On a Sigma E35, I am going to take matte lemons and I am going to blend it all over my crease. Using the same brush, I am going to take this warm brown and I am going to apply it right on top of the first shade. On a Sigma E25, I am going to take matte Campbell and I am going to apply it into the lower crease and into the outer V of the eye. Using the same brush, I am going to take this black eyeshadow and I am going to blend it into my lower crease and outer V, just right on top of the previous eyeshadow. Now I am going to take concealer and I am going to carve out my cut crease. On a flat brush, I am going to take this beautiful green eyeshadow and I am going to apply it into my lid. Now I am going to take this eyeliner and I am going to create a wing. I'm not gonna lie you guys, this was a little bit tricky for me because I only use gel eyeliner, but this was not bad. This was actually pretty good. Now I am going to take this gold glitter eyeliner by Wet n Wild and I am going to apply it into the outer part of my wing and into my inner corners. Now for my lower lash line, I am going to repeat the same steps I did in my crease. And now I am going to be applying a little bit more of the gold eyeliner, and now I am going to prep my lashes for false lashes. The lashes I am using today are gonna be the Icon lashes in the style Jealous, I believe. I am going to put that in the description box. And this is it, you guys. Here is the complete look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want to enter my giveaway and have the chance to win the eyeshadow palette and the eyeliner, please check the details in the description box. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.